How to remove a bolt on a Krag Jorgensen rifle. This works for all three types of Krags, Danish, Norwegian, and US. Pull the bolt back. While lightly trying to over-rotate the bolt handle, use your index finger on your other hand and carefully lift up on the extractor. Once the extractor is pop-free, you'll be able to rotate the bolt and remove it out the back. To put it back in, slide it forward so the lug is just past the receiver bridge. Gently press down on the extractor and rotate the bolt handle. How to disassemble a Krag Jorgensen bolt. Pull back on the cocking piece and rotate to the decocked position. The bolt sleeve is held in place by a partial ring around the bolt body, starting at the handle. To remove, again pull back on the cocking piece, rotating it past the bolt handle. When it turns enough so that the bolt sleeve is past the protrusion on the bolt body, it pulls free. To remove the firing pin, press inwards and tilt the forward portion away from the rod. Then you can remove the spring and slide off the bolt sleeve. To reassemble, slide the bolt sleeve and spring onto the firing pin rod. Then slide on the rear end of the firing pin, angling the tip away, and then snap it into place on the round end of the firing pin rod. Put the assembly into the bolt body with the bolt sleeve below the handle. Then push in on just the bolt sleeve, rotating it so the ring on the bolt body goes into the cutout on the bolt sleeve. Then pull back on the cocking piece, rotating it to the decocked position. From there, you're ready to put it back into the rifle.